Alright, we got a chicken sandwich. Another good way to check out how good this place is how they do their chicken sandwich. And I gotta say, I like that nice big piece of chicken with some lettuce. I assume there's some Raising Cane's sauce on there, and that's about it. Like, it's soft, but it's crunchy. There aren't any chewy parts, like a chewy part of the chicken. That's really good. This is a top tier sandwich. This is probably the best chicken sandwich I've ever had. This is a solid 10 out of 10. Raising Cane's, it's really good.